order to be successful on your weight loss journey, you have to be prepared. Here I introduce to you the Curvy Queen Fitness Meal Prep Bag. As you can see, it has 2 side compartments, a front compartment, and a top compartment. It also has a handle and a strap where you're able to carry it on the go with you. In the front compartment, you're able to carry at least 2 meal prep containers as well as a cold pack. In the top compartment, you're able to carry any utensils, any fruits or vegetables you want to carry around, any snacks such as pretzels. On the side, there's enough room to store any water bottles or any juices that you want to carry to work or to the gym with you throughout the day. Visit CurvyQueenFitness.com to purchase the bag while supplies last.